Hi friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the Bose noise cancellation headphones. Yes, these are Bose noise cancellation headphones and model number is Bose QC35 second edition. Yes, I got this device like 1 month back and I have been using like from 1 month, and I would be sharing my experience like how is this Bose QC35 second edition, and definitely I'll be talking about like why didn't I choose Sony 1000 MX3 instead of this old Bose QC35 second edition. So first of all, let's unbox this device and show you like what all things you get inside the box. And here is the box of Quiet Comfort 35 second edition. You can see that the design of the box is quite neat and clean, and they have not mentioned much on the box. They have just highlighted that it is Quiet Comfort 35 that has noise cancellation. So the main focus is about noise cancellation, and the second thing is about Google Assistant built in. And the pricing, you can see they have mentioned 29,363, but I got it in 23,000 something because there was some discount going on in Chroma store. Now here you can see that I am unboxing this device, and as soon as you unbox, the first thing you will see this Bose logo, and then we have this Bose carry case. Like this will help you to carry your Bose headphone all around, and this is quite sturdy. Alright, so here is the Bose QC35 second edition headphones. This looks elegant, and apart from this we get this 3.5 mm audio jack. Like if you don't have battery, you can use that, and then this is the micro USB charger for this headphone. So finally, this is the QC35 second edition headphone, and the design wise it's quite elegant, and build quality is also very sturdy, and the soft cushions are really amazing. And you can see that we have multiple buttons on this Bose headphone. So on the right hand side you can see that we have this volume up, volume down, then Bluetooth LED and the battery LED. We have the noise cancellation microphones, and then 3.5 audio jack. We have the Google Assistant buttons. So we have lots of things about this headphone, and these headphones are extendable. Like if you want to increase the length or decrease the length, you can increase or decrease accordingly. Now let me quickly show you like how to connect this Bose headphones. So just have to tap the Bluetooth, search this, and pair this. I have already paired this, and once you pair, you just have to switch it on, and it will automatically connect to your phone or any other device which you have already paired. So you can see that QC35 second edition is already connected to this mobile phone. Now you just have to play the music and you're all good to go. Alright friends, so now I've shown you the unboxing of QC35 second edition. Now it's time to put these headphones on the ears. So now you can see that these headphones looks really cool. Like it doesn't look very heavy, and the weight wise is quite light. Like I'm feeling that it's very light, and I'm not at all uncomfortable like after wearing this headphone. It's too soft. Like these cushionings are really soft, and the cushions here also it's like really soft. And once I put these headphones, I have not turned it on as of now. Still there are lots of noise cancellation happening because of these compact cushions, and these are like isolating the noise from outside. So this is really good. Like let me turn this on. So once I turn it on, so first thing it talks about the battery. Like it says like how much battery it has, like 40%, 50%, and then it says connected to which device. If it is connected to two devices, it will say the name of those two devices. Alright, so this is really good. Like as soon as you switch it on, you don't have to check like in your mobile like how much battery this headphone has, or how much or which device it is connected to. That's really cool. So let me turn it off because I'm not able to hear what I'm speaking. It's like noise cancelling. So let me turn it off, and then I can talk more about this headphone. Alright. So there are a few things which I want to talk about this Bose QC35 second edition headphone. Let me tell you like why did I choose Bose QC35 second edition over Sony 1000 MX3. First thing, I did not like the bass of Sony MX3. Yes, because the bass was so reverbing, like it was like echoing all around. Like there was lots of echo of the bass. Like I didn't like those kind of bass, and it gives me kind of headache. Like if I listen to the music for like 1 or 2 hours, and if the bass is continuously like that, then it's not soothing for the ears. so I get headache with those kind of bass. But few people, yes, they definitely like lots of bass, reverbing bass, so that's good for them, like people who listen to rock or maybe some other stuff. But I can't comment really like how do these guys like those kind of bass. But for me, I like pumping bass, which means like bass will be for a short time and it will go away, it will not reverb. So that kind of bass I like. And the second thing why I like this Bose headphone is the comfortability. This cushion is so comfortable that if you will wear it for 6 to 7 hours in a stretch, trust me, you will not feel uncomfortable. You will not feel like removing this. I have used this like in my flight, like 3 hours of flight, 3 hours waiting in the airport, so 6 hours continuously, and I was not feeling uncomfortable at all. So guys, like these two things are the major thing why I chose QC 35 second edition. Apart from those two features, like third one is the battery backup. Yes, the battery backup is really good. Like I'm getting 7 to 8 hours of backup in this Bose QC 35 second edition. In spite of being so light, it has such an incredible battery backup life. I am really amazed. And the charge time is so fast. Like if I charge it for just half an hour, it charges like 50% or 60%, and even more than that. Like it's very quick. Like I just plug through USB of my laptop and it charges very fast. I don't have to plug directly from the AC point. It just takes from the USB port, and the USB port also, it's like fast charging. That's really good feature of this headphone. And then the third feature which I liked about this headphone was the Alexa and Google assistance inbuilt in this headphone. What does it work like? When you get any message in your phone and you get any mails in your phone, it first says a small brief, like you have a message in Gmail, and if you want to read that message, you just have to press this button. So like if I'm listening to the music, I got a mail saying mail from XYZ, then I just have to press this button. After pressing this button, it will start reading that mail. That's really cool feature, which I don't have to open my mobile. If I think I'm expecting some mail from in my Gmail, and if mail comes in, definitely I'll press this button and I'll read it. If I'm getting some mail or SMS or any other thing, I'll just press this and it will read entire message. That's really cool feature of this Bose QC 35 second edition. I'm not sure like if Sony has also the same feature, but yes, definitely this is seamless. And the next most important feature is about the noise cancellation. Yes, both the headphones, Sony and Bose QC35, are like incredible in noise cancellation. So I have tested this as well as the Sony one. So the difference between these two noise cancellation would be like from this headphone, like you will not hear anything when the music is playing. So really it is cancelling everything when the music is on and the noise cancellation is on. When both the things are on, you will not be able to hear anything. So like I'll tell you one incident. Like I was wearing this headphone in my office and the fire alarm was ringing and I was listening to the music, so I was not able to hear anything. Even the fire alarm, my colleagues, they told me, okay, get up, like fire alarm is ringing, it's a fire drill. So that's how this Bose noise cancellation works. So when the music is playing, you will not anything. When music is not playing, you will hear something. And yes, there are features in this Bose application, like you can reduce the noise cancellation medium, low and high, so that's different. But I'm talking about the high noise cancellation, which is by default in this headphone. And if you talk about the noise cancellation in Sony headphones like Sony MX3, the cancellation of the noise is also great there. Like I will not complain that noise cancellation of Sony is not good. And yes, few people say that it has got better noise cancellation than Bose, but I don't feel like this noise cancellation is enough. If it is more than this, I'm not sure like how it will feel. I just tried it for a few minutes and I didn't feel any obvious difference between Bose noise cancellation and Sony noise cancellation. Now coming back to the next feature, this headphone it has got all physical buttons. It does not have any touch button as Sony. So what happens, sometimes accidentally we touch the touch buttons and it works like which we don't want to work as. So some people like that, definitely, like I don't want to press any button, I just want to touch. I want to touch and swipe left, right, and then do all the stuff. But personally, I like the button. Like I don't want to mess with the touch, because if I sleep sometimes, like wearing this headphone, if I'm on the couch or like I'm in the airplane, I'm sitting in the seat where everything is being touched here on the headphones right and left side, and I don't want to like accidentally do something on my headphones. So I like these buttons compared to the touch. These are the features which will make you think like why Bose is still the best noise cancellation headphone in the mid segment. Yes, we have got lots of better headphones than Bose and the Sony MX3, but yes, at this price range, Bose is the best choice what you will make. You will not regret. After using this, you will definitely think like yes, you have made a perfect choice. So I'll recommend you to go ahead and buy Bose QC 35 second edition. So guys, this was my overall experience and review with Bose QC 35 second edition. And to talk about the pricing, like you are getting lots of discount nowadays, because this headphone is now quite old, like maybe 2 years as of now, like after it has launched. So many stores, many online e-stores, they are giving lots of discount, and wait for some festivals, you will definitely get some more discount. I got some 3,500 discount in the New Year festival. Alright friends, so this was my complete review for Bose QC 35 second edition. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please write in the comments below. I'll definitely come back and reply each and every comment. Alright then, have a nice day. Bye bye.